before it's all done. Do you mess with your suspension at all, Jerry? I can go over the suspension with you.
Yeah.
Because it's really easy to do that on this bike.
Okay.
So everything is labeled on this one. This is your rebound. It says REB. It's got plus to the right and minus to the left, so you're gonna make it harder by going to the right for your rebound. This is your compression.
Okay.
So you can control them very easy to get to. This is an Olin CTX shock, more of a race shock basically. It's a very good shock, very easy to adjust. Preload adjustment is done with those two colors right there. And then it's got basically, you can adjust the height on the rear shock to right at the bottom. You see the double nut on the rear shock?
Oh yeah, okay.
You can adjust, it's got a ride height adjustment on it too.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And the front forks, they're really nice too. You got Olin's on here. So if you look, the preload is a blue nut. You can adjust the preload on either. But on the forks, one of them is going to control your compression through that small Allen wrench on the inside.
Okay, yeah.
The other one is going to control the rebound, and it says right on it. So both Allens will do your adjustments, and the big nut is a preload.
Okay.
Yeah. After the first ride, make sure you clean your rim. It's gonna have a lot of chain wax flinging off the chain right on the rim. And make sure you're braking those tires. First 60 to 100 miles, just take it easy. Break them in, they're brand new. Make sure you're up to temp. And make sure you have the right temperature when you go ride it the first, right pressure when you go to ride it the first time. On this one, it says it right on the swing arm, right here.
Yep.
So they want you to be 33 in the front, 36 in the rear. With a passenger, 36 in the front, 41 in the rear.
Okay.
Okay? So that's where they want you to be. Yep.
Alright.
Yep. It's really easy to take this off if you need to. It's literally 2 bolts under this cover.
Okay.
And a plug.
Okay.
To unplug the lights. This whole thing comes off.
Okay.
That's it, man. If you have any other questions you think about, let me know.
Okay.
Premium gas, obviously. Maintenance, you make sure you do the first service at 621 miles when the wrench comes on in the corner of the dash. And then the next service will be 1 year or 6,000 miles, whichever comes first.
Okay.
So your oil is good for 6,000 miles.
So do I have to go to a dealer to have them turn that light off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Unless you buy the software.
Okay.
Like, I think there's software you can buy. It's called Gucci Diag. A lot of people use it online. They buy the cables and they download the software. It's not that expensive to do.
Okay.
But it's really good to have it as a record that you service the bike.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah. So how much is the warranty?
The warranty is 2 years, unlimited miles on the bike from the date of purchase.
Okay.
So you're good for 2 years from now. You can extend the warranty, obviously, another probably 5 years on top of that if you're going to keep the bike. We also offer the VIP membership on this. Danielle will tell you all about it. It's basically we can do your maintenance for the next 3 years if you want us to. You'll save about 30–40%. By the book, we do the valve checks for you. We do the because the valves will be due to be checked at 12,000. Yep. That's your first valve check. So, yeah.